look back on this in 5-10 years? And
Yeah, well, hey, hurricanes happen, and this is what happens, and hopefully they'll get it fixed pretty soon. They'll have the Clearwater get it fixed, and I think they'll fix the houses, and then they'll fix that stuff.
indeed. Well, it easy is that way.
It is. I see a lot of people on Clearwater having a good time.
Yeah.
And if you come to Clearwater Beach, I'll be a realtor. If you're looking to buy a house, or if you live on Clearwater, I could be a realtor and help you sell your house. Good thing to have this going on.
Oh yeah. All the young millennials trying to be supermodels and hopes and dreams.
I remember that phase I was really good looking when I was at $10. Yeah. Six-pack abs for no reason.
Yeah. I'm getting there.
Are you?
Yeah.
You're only 20 pounds away.
Yeah.
So that's closed, huh? That's too bad.
Yeah.
It could have been a lot worse. It could have been way worse. If the storm hit directly. Because you remember it went below you in Clearwater.
Mm-hmm.
Did that make you happy? Did you see that on your phone?
What's that?
The storm went way south of where it was supposed to come right for us. I was very scared. I thought you just said you want to be a filmmaker and then you got scared all the way. Don't be afraid. Post it. My name is Chris and I'm a filmmaker.
Well, none of these companies will hire me, so
Yeah.
might as well do what I love, right?
That image of us running at Madeira Beach is pretty cool. You got a drone of us running.
Yeah.
That is actually the pretty part of Madeira where it's all houses.
Whatever happened to your drone?
It went in the drink after Hurricane Helene. It was lifting up on me, and then I let it go. There were trees above, and then it just went right into the drink.
Oh wow.
1920s window, into the drink.
Yeah.
Everyone's looking at you like, why has this guy got a helmet on his head? Oh man, what like, what's going on?
It makes him look like he's 7 feet tall.
You want to try it?
My penis.
Oh
Right, Laura?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Sunset's really nice here, for sure.
Oh yeah. So pretty. Sunset in Clearwater Beach. Veterans Day 2024.
Happy Veterans Day to all
Yeah,
those veterans.
that's right.
Thank you for your service to this country.
All your followers want to see raw footage.
Yeah,
At least a couple of them do. Because I mean, not everyone can make it here.
very true.
Wow. I feel like we're in Caribbean. Yeah. It's kind of like how Aruba looks. I get off every time I could get off on that cruise.
Yeah.
Got off. I spent a long time in Starbucks.
Did you?
Well, I wouldn't have if I had money. Let's see. Pirates of the Caribbean?
What do you think I ought to title this?
Clearwater Beach, Veterans Day. Clearwater Beach sunset. How about that? How about my secret exposed on Clearwater Beach? And everybody clicks on it and there's like nothing. There's no secret.
The secret is in the moment, in the present moment.
Because one day we'll all be dust and dirt.
Sand.
Right.
What's that? Did you see a guy with a motorcycle helmet and a GoPro? I hope this is old crowd, but I have to do next year. Always next year. Yeah, for me too. The last 15 years. Do you like that camera better than the 360?
I think so. A lot better clarity.
I thought the 360 was cool because you could look around at any time.
Yeah, but it can make the viewer kind of busy as well. I think the quality on this is amazing.
Okay. You think you got your money's worth?
I think so.
Okay. It's kind of be cool to get monetized on YouTube.
Well, I mean, I did with my plant-based channel back in 2013, but
Oh, maybe you can do that again. You like talking about this stuff.
yeah, I miss the passion about that.
These rocks were the end of my run.
I remember that, yeah.
So I run. How'd you know?
I had the same goal.
You did? Okay. But you have to stop at a certain point.
Look at this tugboat.
Hey, is that still sinking?
It looks like it.
It's a big dolphin too.
wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You got it?
I
Nice.
don't know if I can catch it on this, but wow, that's nice.
It knows it gets to eat the fish. Oh, what did it do?
That's cool. Look at that.
Hilarious.
Swimming in the waves.
Yeah. Oh, cool.
beautiful night. Gotta learn to love ourselves regardless.
You pay for a dolphin experience, and then the dolphins just follow you the whole time.
Yeah.
The wild dolphin. So if we ever go jet skiing again, just remember to tell him that we left 5 minutes on the table last time, so we're going to take an extra 5 minutes.
Yeah.
We came back 5 minutes early.
Right?
And if you just run around through these things, dude, you live there and have a beautiful view of the beach. Penthouse there. That might be $5 million bucks. Probably. Get some good footage.
Oh yeah. Definitely.
That moon is bright.
Yeah.
So if you got that hat on, Pat, you might be able to zoom in.
Possibly.
So that's where we just were.
Yeah, that's right.
Opal, baby, Opal.
Did you work here before?
I applied here. He didn't hire me because I didn't have enough experience. But I did connect with him on the aviation thing. Because his dad was a F-15 pilot.
Oh, okay.
And I was going to go...
Is it warm?
Jimmy Buffett.
Inside?
No. I've already been in there.
Okay.
If you have money, it's great. It's kind of like being in Vegas with no money.
Right.
For me.